And we're live.
Awesome. Pull up the stream.
I will click manage. And here we go. Who to play? I don't have like half the characters unlocked. I don't have mercenary.
Let's see who you're missing. What are some of the unlocks?
I need the robot. I forget his name, unfortunately. Engineer,
Andy.
pickaxe guy, the one with the bag. Whoever this one is.
This is the one with the bag. Drifter. This is a pilot.
Oh, pilot. Oh, okay. Pilot seems interesting, but I just need to play the game more, I think. Chef and mercenary. Could just
pilot. I feel like I either do amazing or awful when I play. I'm very inconsistent with pilot, but they're very good.
I'm going bandito.
Bandito?
Bandito. Let's do this. Wait, I wasn't ready.
Well, you got 50 seconds.
It's okay, I'll be ready in 50 seconds. I'm such a fool.
Okay, I gotta decide too.
You got 30 seconds to decide. "20 seconds. And you have more choices."
That's true. I can play Robomando. You don't even know who that is.
I have no idea who that is. Who is that?
You can find out later. I guess we're playing Rainstorm. We'll go Artificer.
I didn't even see what difficulty you set it.
I just let it to default. Awesome.
Why can't I move?
Right side of them.
Oh, it's the arrow keys, not WASD.
Oh, I guess you need to rebind.
Alright, I'll rebind.
Don't die.
I'm rebinding, Lila.
Good luck. I swear we've played this game before.
I know we have. I'm certain of it.
I don't know, maybe it had an update or something.
It probably did. Equipment is G, and I have all my skills set properly. How do I save it?
That should just be good to go.
And I can't look up. Now I remember. Haha! I have a gun. Is there fall damage?
Yes. But it's not lethal. Found the teleporter.
Oh. Yeehaw! I'm loving this aesthetic. Oof, I'm invisible. That's a big ass... You picked up a rusty knife, Lila.
Indeed I did.
Yeah! I'm just fighting for no reason. You know how it is.
There's a large chest on the way over. At the first one you'll see. You should try and save for that.
I think I walked right past it.
Go back for it, because then we don't have to go back to that side of the map.
True.
And I already found the teleporter.
Sweet. Boing! That's my gun. I gotta remember what button does what. Too many games that I've mapped controls for, you know?
Yeah. Oh, I guess I have 2 rusty knives.
Oh, my dynamite stuns! Hell yeah!
Yeah, this dynamite is actually really good. It's AOE. It's your bread and butter.
I want to know. I want to know. Oh,
as you're just running through things.
Oh, concussion grenade. Cool.
Nice. Do you feel comfortable starting teleporter by yourself?
I can give it a shot.
Just don't get yourself killed.
I'm good at games. I'm a gamer. Just gotta remember what my buttons are.
Oh, I clicked onto the wrong monitor.
What in the Castlevania Symphony of Night? Speaking of Castlevania, that's a game I want to play at some point. It looks interesting. I like vampires. I'm a big fan. And I'm also a fan of killing vampires. I'm a fan of killing vampires and of vampires.
Of course.
I'm a fan of werewolves, not a fan of killing werewolves, weirdly.
Interesting.
Unless, actually, no, actually, I played Resident Evil 8 and I had such fucking fun blasting the werewolf zombies. Those were werewolf zombies, though. Lila, I'm kind of just gonna be picking up. Oh, hey, where's the teleporter?
Oh, is there not an icon? I found it earlier. I think it's over this way.
Is it up?
Yeah.
Where you fell from?
Up this way. Where I went to the right of you. I hit a geyser, or that works.
Bandit can do this.
Nah.
That's a magma worm there. Was that you or me, or both of us?
That was both of us.
Awesome.
You can pick it up as well.
I'm fucking rooting and tooting and shooting
Tesla
over here.
is insane in this game.
Can...
And then you can take either the backup mag. The backup mag might be really good for you with the dynamite.
Fuck yeah, it is.
And then also by the teleporter, you go buy stuff to the left if there's anything. Buy what you want now, probably the backup mag, and then just go to the left and explore, and then I'll hit the teleporter. Time matters more in this game.
I'm fucking following your lead here. I'm just having a good old time rooting.
Go to left, look for items. There's nothing all the way to the far left, just kind of look down if there's anything. And then...
I wonder if I accidentally...
Pretty sure I already went up that way, go down.
Yeah.
And see if there's anything. Down to the left.
I know I'm not following instructions very well, but it's with a purpose. Hey, what's that thing? There's a weird teleporter thing over there.
I have no clue what you're talking about.
It's a cube.
Oh, that's an unlock for one of the artifacts. If you can grab it, go for it, but...
I think I can get it.
You might need a double jump.
I got it.
Oh, sweet.
Artifact of
Yeah,
honor.
grab that.
Cool, I'm unlocking
Nice.
shit. Do I gotta come back now?
I'm just gonna hit the teleporter and go.
Sweet. I'm feeling confident so far.
Yeah, you have a
Okay.
Tesla, so you're
It's-
probably fine.
In Symphony, you are Alucard, son of Dracula, who's a vampire and kills vampires in death. And it is also... Okay, I'm in. Vampire that's killing other vampires? Even better. He has to hunt his own kind.
Go back to the left and look for the teleporter. You should split up.
Okay. There's just items this way.
Yeah, okay, I found the teleporter. You can just come this way now.
Hooray!
But yeah, unless we spawn on the side of the map, just split up. You absolutely need to cover more ground in this game because of how much time matters. There's gasoline or a goat hoop over here.
I'm loving Bandit in this game.
Come grab that. You can just have all the backup mags, and you can just drop a bunch of bombs on enemies.
I'm crashing out on every level. Ow, my ankles.
Damn. I'm just gonna hit the teleporter. Magma worm. What the heck? Bird. What did it drop?
I'm having a grand old time. Child.
Oh.
Hella children. Get out of here.
I just blew up a bunch of children.
Oh no,
There's
Lila.
unicorns.
Lila, no. Hey, a red item. It's a Jack in the Box.
Oh, what is it? That's okay. You can take it.
Old box. Chance to fear enemies when attacked.
I need to not die.
Tougher
I'm just
times.
gonna,
Hell yeah.
I'm just gonna take this go. We both have good AoE. Get away from me, child. Oh, they're gonna kill me.
Oh no. Do you need help?
Not at the moment. I'm just running in the other way now. I just had to get past an electric and a flaming one.
Yeah, understandable.
There's that chance shrine. Is there anything up here? There is. Okay. There's an equipment barrel up in the top left.
I'm playing so dangerously with this Tesla coil. I'm playing fucking fast and loose here. I had a child
Yeah,
just standing behind
yeah,
me.
just try and just run through things
Can I
and
open
drop
chance
bombs on them a
shrines?
lot. Yeah, you can. It doesn't matter in this game.
Okay.
There's no. You just want to hit it.
I love gambling.
Oh, I got the equipment.
Unstable watch. I just failed a chance shrine 3 times in a row and got an achievement for it. Bullshit. Hey, did you say there was a backup mag around here somewhere?
It was down towards the bottom right.
Okay, I'm heading bottom right.
I guess the drone that I got from using the equipment that I got earlier and then I'm no longer using was permanent. Are you ready for your TP?
I never found the backup mag.
What?
I don't know what to tell you, unless I picked it up forever ago and just forgot.
Maybe it was the last map, honestly.
I did get one on the last map. Alright, I'm... hold on,
go
let me
for
hit this
TP.
chance shrine one last time.
Oh, if you can afford it,
Fourth
yeah.
time's the charm.
Damn.
Jack shit. Alright, let's get out of here.
Okay. 10 minutes isn't too bad.
We're doing great. Just gotta keep rolling, rolling, rolling.
This map has one of the better tracks.
Hey, I do have 2 backup mags. I'm
This
just
one's
a
also
fool.
pretty good. Oh. You want that drone? It's a melee drone.
Are we underwater?
Yes. The physics are a little loose underwater.
Lobster! That's not a lobster, that's a nautiloid. That drone, does that drone cost HP?
Yes, and it's a melee drone.
I'm okay. Should I have gone left?
Just go wherever.
I'm just kind of wandering.
Left is an
frankly.
option. There's a couple dead ends in this map, though.
Hey, a feather. Nice.
Yeah, I think I technically just hit one. Ow.
Wow. This level is...
It's a little difficult to navigate sometimes. Logbook.
Hey! I got my guy unlocked.
Nice. Maybe we
God.
got the. We'll have to see if we got the Acrid variant of this map. Do you have Acrid unlocked?
I have Acrid unlocked, indeed.
Okay.
Hey, I made it to the top of the map.
Oh, sweet. I'll have to
There's-
follow you then.
I went left and I just kept going up. Backup mags!
Let's go. Yeah, you can
Hella
have them all.
backup mags.
My right click's fine, and I also have an alien head.
Alien head.
Whoa.
Bam, 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 bam. I can't wait to get my GIF guy going. I'm very excited. Hey, that's the teleporter, too.
Yeah, that'll be really fun. Oh, sweet. Go ahead and hit it. Did you go to the right on the map?
I didn't go right at all, no. What is this
Okay.
thing that costs 932 gold? Repair laser drone. Don't
Oh, the
mind if
laser
I do.
drone's super good. Oh, and we have Acrid.
The laser drone is badass. Are you fighting Acrid over there?
Yeah, I don't know why he's not doing anything.
I want to help.
Yeah, come help.
Oh, I clicked off the game even.
Oh, I did that too. Oh, you can take that.
Oh, sweet, thank you. Get him, laser drone. Let's go gambling.
Teleporter time.
Indeed it is. Indubitably. Imp Overlord. I got a bone to pick with these guys. They're irritating me.
Well, beat him up.
Ow.
You take that. You can just double down on melee with that Frost Relic, which is one of the better items in this game.
Bandits just fucking punching people to death, apparently. Is it really melee if I'm not pressing a melee button? It's just walking through
Yeah.
enemies?
Yep.
That's
It's
so cool.
still basically melee.
So I've just got fucking protection while I fire, essentially.
Yep. And it's just great for running through things, because you're doing that all the time up until Providence anyways.
Yeah. I'm helping.
Yeah.
Just suppressing fire!
Look at that flamethrower. Okay, let's go.
Cool.
Ah, this map stinks.
I like the music.
Oh yeah, music's pretty good.
I found a bloated
What?
survivor.
Oh, good job.
I saw something and I decided to investigate.
I think you unlocked an item.
Cool.
And I found the teleporter. It's in the bottom,
Hell yeah.
towards the left.
Hey, I got barbed wires. Cool.
Oh, sweet.
Even more melee items.
Let's go. Oh, I have a jellyfish
Gup!
drum. That's
No, Gup! Away, Gup! Away from me, foul creature.
Gup.
Hell yeah. Bandit feels really good in this game.
Oh yeah, they're great. What? Okay. What do you give me? Oh, come get this equipment. I just turned a drone into this drone scrapper, and it dropped in equipment.
Hell yeah.
It's actually a decent one too for damage.
I will come and retrieve it. Hello.
Hello, you can just take both of those items.
How do I get up there? Do I have to keep going around?
I don't recall exactly. Look for climbable vines.
Oh, well, I found all... Oh, there's one.
Oh, oh, ho, 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 ho.
Thallium.
Thallium. Yeah, that's a good one.
I picked up that item. And
Let's
a
go.
fire shield. Nice.
Okay, now we can go down to the bottom left for the boss. I think we full looted.
Awesome.
Probably should have hit the teleporter a little sooner, but that's fine.
We're
Oh, there's a
okay.
scavenger. We'll have to kill him before we exit the stage.
We can just turn around now if we want.
No, we'll do teleporter now and then deal with the scavenger later. Over here. Pigs.
Oh, shit.
Okay, this is actually amazing. Fuck the pigs.
Ratatata, ratatata, ratatata.
Yeah, this actually wasn't a terrible spot for the pigs.
And we had melee.
You take the goat hoof.
I could use a goat hoof. I'm running low on it. Speed, that is. Glad I bought that healing drone.
Yeah, healing drones are great in this game.
I've been
I've just
buying
decided to
hella
scrap mine for
drones.
items.
Hella gups. So many parents. Their numbers are too great. Not really.
Yeah, watch out for that scavenger. Okay.
I'm down below the scavenger.
I'm dealing with him.
Having a good old-fashioned shootout down here. Hey, an ATG.
No, let's go. You can take it.
And a mortar.
Oh, very nice. Those are
And
like the proc items in this game.
another gunner drone.
Let's go.
Da 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 da. Cause I'm a cowboy.
Actually, I'm gonna check to the left, and then you wait by the teleporter.
On a
Oh, no.
steel
Okay.
horse I ride.
There's nothing.
Log. On the gup.
Sweet. Pretty sure the gup art looks great. Are we
Temple of
looping?
the Elders. Nah, let's just play a normal one. Yeah, a normal one. I should.
I don't think I've looped more than like once or twice in this game. Oh, this one's got another great track.
What are you suggesting then?
We can just go straight to Providence, that's fine.
Let's
It's
do
a little wacky after you loop.
We'll definitely play this game again though, because I'm having so much fucking fun right now.
Oh yeah, this game's great.
This is much more chill than Risk of Rain too.
I did forget to send a message in my own server.
Oh, that's alright. I ain't worried about it. I just have fun playing games, and I'm gonna get through my back catalog. Once I finish all the Resident Evils, I'm thinking Devil May Cry, another Capcom series. Or maybe I play a different style of game entirely, you know?
Maybe.
But I don't know yet. Legendary chest.
Oh, nice. Is it accessible?
7,693, and, can you jump good?
Maybe.
I could maybe get up there. I can get up there.
There might be a spot to fall down from above. I guess you can evade percent
Nope, nope.
damage.
I know how to get there.
Ah, sacrifice so much HP, but for great healing items.
Well played,
Oh,
Lizard Man.
we got the key in the top right of the stage if you want to open the legendary chest for free.
Yeah, of course. I like free items. I like the aesthetics of this one too, because this looks like shit that Providence built, you know?
Oh, yeah. I just have
I
a
missed.
double length time stop sometimes. That's insane. What's that?
Okay, I'll have to jump
Like
down
a
then.
25 or a 33% chance. Come get a thallium.
I have to remember where that thing is.
There's a whole bunch of things. There's a red item for you. I think
Ugh.
towards where we spawned in.
So many things. I got a permafrost.
Oh, that's also really good. We're
And
getting
I've got
a lot of red
stun
items.
grenades too. I gotta go back and get my what's it called? That thing you gave me, whatever it did though, I don't remember. It was an equipment of some sort.
Oh.
I'll find out when I pick it up. Something nozzle.
Use it.
I know, I've used it. It makes me invulnerable.
Oh, I have no idea what that is then. I've never seen it before. I thought it was a different item.
Oh.
Oh, whoops, I should have
Best
given
served
that to you.
cold. Maybe I used a different thing. I don't know. You did mention there was items this way for me. I found one of them. Thallium.
Yep, yep.
Oh,
Yeah, that was
this
good.
is... We're just giving them radiation poisoning?
Pretty much, yeah.
Swag. Okay. I'm a fan. I love items in these games. They're so silly.
Yep.
I hate these, like, plant things.
Hey, yeah, they're pretty annoying. Did we find the teleporter?
I haven't found it. Did I look? I don't know if I looked very hard, honestly.
I think it's up here. Yep, found it.
Hooray! It
Oh,
was
you have
the
3
one
identical
place we didn't
drones.
look. I only have... Oh, never mind. I lost some drones. I lost my gunners.
Nah. Fuck this boss.
Fuck this boss. Eat my dynamite. This is super fun.
This is so much damage.
I'm not even, honestly, I'm not even
Ow.
looking at the
I'm gonna back
enemies.
off.
I'm looking at my health bar and my cooldowns.
Yeah.
Like, when do I need to bail? But also, I'm
Ow,
kinda
I'm dead.
head clearing. I gotta bail.
Yeah, just bail. Leave the area entirely. Just dodge the flyers.
Ow.
Yeah, just don't die more than anything.
I can flee for my life. Healing drone's still good.
Oh, sweet.
Elder
Yeah, just heal up.
Lemurian! What's that for 1,000?
Ouch. Ouch. Do drones heal?
There they go. Hey, I made my way back.
Okay.
Fucking idiots.
Oh.
Dumbass birds. Finishing this fight. Hooray! Victory is mine.
Sweet.
Hey, you're a
You
drone. Lila
pick
drone.
the item. And you... Where, okay, you hit the legendary chest, just hit the teleporter and get out. Make sure you hit the right button.
What's a smart
Not
shopper?
to loop.
Oh, is that to get my drones back?
I have no idea.
Ah, whatever. I'll just...
Oh, it's just a green item. You get more money, percent-wise. Just pick it up, hit the teleporter.
Oh, that's just my gunner drone.
We're-
Anyway.
Oh.
Teleport to final level. Q.
Yes. We gotta get out of here.
Gotta get the fuck out of here. Time is of the essence. Guards! Seize them! Keycard.
This stage has the best track.
Unfortunately, there's no guards on patrol tonight. But I see bots in chat. Ah.
Oh. Watch out on the exit.
What's up?
Watch out on the exit to that room.
Oh, with all the fucking dog-looking things?
Yeah, they're nasty.
Good thing I can go invisible.
Oh yeah,
Ah.
that's perfect.
Bandit is a rogue fighter, and you can't tell me otherwise. In D&D terms.
Oh, you definitely want to get that.
What? What did I miss?
There's a drone down there.
Dogs! Evil dogs! So many. Providence, you annoying bastard. We're coming for you, pal.
Okay, all the rooms should be open.
Wonderful. Then we can work our way back out.
Oh, Soul Lantern is also a really good equipment if you want to swap.
I've kind of been enjoying this one. Oh.
Nope. There's a boss. Let's come deal with him. Crazy that you can stun them.
I can stun them?
Well, you can take that. We can. I think we both were.
Awesome.
You
What
take
can
the stuff that dropped.
Okay. I can't stun those guys, though. Fucking
Nope.
fish.
Jellyfish. Oh, take that item. Prophet's Cape. It's basically a safer spaces.
Oh,
I'm pretty
awesome.
sure.
I am gonna pick up this random item. This equipment. Jar of Souls. Summon a ghost? Okay, that's badass.
Yeah, it's incredibly strong. Oh, that's so much damage over time numbers.
I have a cape! I'm a cowboy with a cape!
Let's go.
Excuse me.
Yeah, I think I just recently unlocked Prophet's Cape.
Have fun on Rivals, Leo. I'm gonna
Good luck.
call it a night after this. So have fun, play well,
I'm
don't
gonna
rage
hop on
too hard.
Minecraft, possibly after this.
Ooh,
We'll see.
Minecraft. I'm for sure gonna do the villager relocation stream. That'll be super fun.
I hope.
How do we continue on this level here?
Right now we're just looting the area,
Okay, I was curious about that.
checking all the rooms, and then we're gonna go into the next area, loot those rooms, and then hit up the boss. Got 3 keys. 4 keys. Yeah, you're in the right hallway, the one that goes to the right. You should buy this. There's a drone that I pinged. It's down to the right.
I can see that right there, yeah. Oh, I was looking at that one earlier.
Yeah, you definitely
Ow.
want to get that.
See ya, Leo. Have a good one.
See ya.
Me and my drones. I saw there was like an announcement for some new Overwatch character, and in that same announcement they had the silhouettes of like future characters, right? And everybody else is everybody's way more interested in the trench coat wearing Omnic with a fedora. Or a cowboy hat or something like that.
Of course.
I saw a fedora though.
Okay. I will get to you as soon as I can, but I found a chest.
No, you're good. I'm just opening shit.
Yeah, you can hit that door. That leads to the arena.
The
but you may
bridge?
as well progress it. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Red Whip is so good in this game.
Hey, that's another jar of souls.
Interesting. You might swap out that when we go to actually fight the boss, though. Because I don't think it... Actually, I don't know what happens if you use it with Providence.
It makes another Providence.
Maybe. Okay. Let me come unlock those doors.
Hell yeah. I got a very good set of items here.
Hell yeah. Med bay,
The med bay.
cabin. Storage. And armory. I haven't gotten all 4 in so long.
Afterburners.
Oh, sweet.
Are those? Can I take those?
Multiple?
No, just the one.
You can take it.
Okay. Hard light afterburner. Oh, that's awesome. Extra smoke bombs is great.
Hey, yep.
Yo, get close to my mic. Okay, yeah, I started leaning back way too relaxed. I should get a mic arm.
Maybe.
I think there's a scavenger in this room down in the med bay, Lila.
Come open chest. You have all of your money.
I did open chests. I'm trying to open them in the med
There's
bay.
more. If
Fine.
they're free in the mid bay.
No, they cost money. I'm
How do
coming
you
to
have
the cabin.
16,000 and you can't afford it? What? Is there a legendary
There's
chest?
monsters in there.
Let me go check.
I was fighting them.
Oh, the scavenger, yeah.
And there was an Elder Lemurian at the door. I guess I could just run through them. I have melee items.
Oh yeah, you don't have to fight things. Just run past them and jump.
Well, I'm a fighter. incredibly viable option here.
Double link time stop. Let's go. That's so
I helped.
long.
Fireworks. Do 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 do
Okay.
do do.
Let's check.
Obliterate him.
Come over here.
War bonds. Bank 20,000 gold. Da-da-da-da.
Achievement.
What's up, Lila?
Help me kill these things so I can hit that choice shop. Whoa.
Ghost
That
Army.
drone is awesome.
Hey, baby, kiss the goat.
Oh, sweet. You can take the gasoline.
Give me fuel, give
And
me
then
fire.
go up the ladder. There's a whole bunch of chests.
I'm excited to open them.
There's an ATG in the room to the right.
The so-called armory.
Yep. These chests just sometimes have nothing, but they typically have some sort of attack item.
I need to get out of this room. This is awful.
No, help me hit this other choice terminal. Oh, I need to not die.
Okay, I'm trying to help here. Gee.
Ah! Okay, I am just gonna time stop. Go kill. Actually, take that feather.
I can
That was
kill
the
and
first item.
feather. Hell yeah.
There's a tri-shop down. You can take what you want, and there's a whole bunch of more chests over here.
Gotta be spending that money. Do 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 do. Bow. Opening chests. Do you want any of these items?
I don't know. You can probably take them. I think you're fine to take whatever. We're more or less balanced.
We both got some good items going here. Kind of feels like I'm picking up the dregs a little bit, you know?
I don't want that.
I'll just take it then.
Okay, let's go fight Providence.
I've got so much stuff around me now that I don't even understand, because I just picked up like 6 items.
Yep.
Let's get this guy. Hella Elder Lemurians. Oh, that's cabin.
You have the equipment you want?
I just have the ghost jar, but I think I'll be okay.
Okay. Come
me-
to the
I'm coming. I'm running.
room when you're ready.
Where are you at, fool? Holy crap. Not bad. Haha, I'm faster than you.
I shot the gun at him.
Hell yeah.
Okay, worms are a little dangerous.
I'll be okay.
I'm baiting them.
I can go immune for a second because of Bandit's awesomeness. Bandit's the coolest motherfucker in the world.
If we get another double length time stop, that's crazy.
Hell yeah. Bandit's the
It's like
coolest.
it has a minute cooldown. But I guess that would be too OP if it was any faster, frankly.
Right.
Flamethrower does so much damage.
Flamethrower. Dodging. I'm dodging. Dodging Providence's attacks, but he sucks.
Oh, sweet. Good job.
Did we win?
Almost.
Cool. Hey, another card. 3 of those in one game.
I have time stop.
How do we win?
Don't get hit by pizza.
So him and his brother
And
just
don't
really
hang
like
out in the
pizza?
bottom of the map. Apparently. Avoid the bottom of the map.
What
like
if-
it's the plague.
What if the pizza's gonna drop me to the bottom of the map? I'm in the bottom
It
of the
won't
map.
fully.
Okay.
Okay, get out. Okay, it hit me first.
I hit him with the cannon.
We might have to dodge from the top here in a moment. Okay, pizza him. Next chance we get, I'm gonna just blast him.
I love being Bandit so fucking much. Just,
Yeah.
like, literally in an unlivable situation, and I just fucking go invisible.
Awesome.
Did we win?
Yep.
Mars is
Good job.
on the last GTA mission. Congratulations. We won.
Let's
We
go.
killed Providence.
Good job, Morris.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Hit it.
Leave the planet. Those ATGs are gonna go murder a bird.
Those are fireworks.
Fireworks, yeah. And
Okay,
so
yeah,
he
I'll
left
throw on
with
this
his...
one. We're right.
How do I say that word? Pyrrhic plunder?
I think so.
I love the art.
Yeah, the art in this game is really great. You should look at the logbook a little bit.
I'll take a look at that before I call it a night here. We did it! The Risk of Rain.
Uh-oh.
Returned! Did it even rain in this game?
I think so. Pretty sure it rained on that last stage.
So this was it's a very good upgrade that they did here. They made everything look like itself but cooler.
Yep. Yeah, everything got a really nice respray.
Everything from the original is still there on the upgrade.
And I'm
On
pretty sure
most of
there's
them.
also some new enemies as well in returns.
Any button to skip.
I can finally
Oh.
ban this one bot.
This music's incredible.
Oh yeah, it's amazing. Hey, you did more damage than me.
Oh, I did?
Yep.
I got Paul's goat hoof. And Pilot.
Let's
And
go.
Dead Man's Foot.
I think you would really enjoy Pilot.
I have a feeling I will. Damage dealt. 545,000. What's your damage?
You can check if you look on the top tab where you can see your name. There's another little tab, top left.
Ah, that's very well hidden. That's the same color even.
Yeah, it's not super obvious.
Nice, I did more damage. Super cool. This
GG.
this is giving me the music in this game is so like this feels to me like the way Halo felt when I played it. It's giving me those same feelings, which means it's goated, this fucking game.
What is that ability? I unlocked a new ability for Artificer and it looks interesting. Called Localized Sun.
Localized sun.
Yeah, that sounds awesome. I'll have to try it next time I play.
Returning to the main menu.
Yeah, look at some of the logbooks.
So many things. I'll just look at some survivors.
Yeah, look at the survivors
Ooh.
and enemies.
He looks so cool.
If you
He's
want,
a
I could also
stowaway.
pop open, or I could stream my screen and you could look at some of the unlocks that I have too that you're missing.
I'm gonna go to bed soon. I'll
Okay.
unlock all that stuff
Look at
later.
look at the enemies tab real quick. See if there's
Hold
any
on,
you
I'm
like.
looking at Bandit.
Okay, you're fair.
Look at him, he's so cool.
Oh, yeah, he's great. He snuck onto the ship.
He's the perfect stowaway. He just disappears. I don't feel like reading out loud right now. This isn't lore time.
Pickup art is amazing.
The enforcer and mercenary got into a fight.
Oh, that checks out.
I wonder what his deal is.
He's a cop.
But like, what kind of cop? There's so many kind of space cops. How the hell, if they were supposed to be going from Mars to Earth, because I'm looking at this departure and destination thing. What is the flight plan that takes them way out past, what is this planet again? Petrichor? Or it's a moon?
No, this is Petrichor. Mithrix is on the moon.
Oh yeah, okay. And then I haven't unlocked the other screens yet. Okay. I'm gonna end that there. Good night, stream.
Stream.
Peace.